Q3200. The operator of an aircraft that has been involved in an incident is required to submit a report to the nearest field office of the NTSB. A. Within 7 days. B. Within 10 days. C. When requested. The correct answer is C. The operator of an aircraft involved in an incident is required to submit a report to the nearest field office of the National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, when requested. Incidents are events that do not meet the criteria for an accident, but still involve a significant occurrence related to the operation of the aircraft. The NTSB may request a report to gather additional information and investigate the incident if deemed necessary. The specific time frame for submitting the report is determined by the NTSB and will be communicated in the request. 2189. While taxiing on the parking ramp, the landing gear, wheel, and tire are damaged by striking ground equipment. What action would be required to comply with 49 CFR Part 830? A. A report must be filed with the nearest FAA field office within 7 days. B. An immediate notification must be filed by the operator of the aircraft with the nearest NTSB field office. C. No notification or report is required. The correct answer is C. According to 49 CFR Part 830, which outlines the requirements for reporting aircraft accidents and incidents, incidents involving damage to aircraft only require reporting if they meet certain criteria. In the case of damage to landing gear, wheel, and tire while taxiing on the parking ramp due to striking ground equipment, no notification or report is required under Part 830. This is because it does not meet the criteria for an accident or incident that requires reporting. 2211. Which publication covers the procedures required for aircraft accident and incident reporting responsibilities for pilots? A. 14 CFR Part 61. B. 14 CFR Part 91. C. 49 CFR Part 830 foot. The correct answer is C. 49 CFR Part 830 is the publication that covers the procedures required for aircraft accident and incident reporting responsibilities for pilots. It outlines the requirements for reporting accidents, incidents, and certain other occurrences to the National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, and provides guidance on the reporting process, timelines, and information to be included in the reports. This regulation applies to pilots, aircraft operators, and other individuals or entities involved in aviation activities. 2212. Notification to the NTSB is required when there has been substantial damage. A. Which requires repairs to landing gear. B. To an engine caused by engine failure in flight. C. Which adversely affects structural strength or flight characteristics. The correct answer is C. According to 49 CFR Part 830, notification to the National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, is required when there has been substantial damage to an aircraft, which adversely affects its structural strength or flight characteristics. Substantial damage is defined as damage or failure that adversely affects the structural strength, performance, or flight characteristics of the aircraft and would normally require major repair or replacement of the affected component. It is important to report such incidents to the NTSB to facilitate the investigation of accidents and incidents and to improve aviation safety. 2213. What period of time must a person be hospitalized before an injury may be defined by the NTSB as a serious injury? A. 10 days, with no other extenuating circumstances. B. 48 hours, commencing within 7 days after date of the injury. C. 72 hours, commencing within 10 days after date of the injury. The correct answer is B. According to 49 CFR Part 830, the NTSB defines a serious injury as an injury that requires hospitalization for more than 48 hours, commencing within 7 days from the date of the injury. This definition helps determine the level of severity of injuries in aviation accidents or incidents and is used for reporting purposes. It is important to accurately report and document serious injuries to ensure the accuracy of accident and incident data and to support safety investigations. 2214. Which incident would require that the nearest NTSB field office be notified immediately? A. In-flight fire. B. Ground fire resulting in fire equipment dispatch. C. Fire of the primary aircraft while in a hangar which results in damage to other property of more than 25,000. The correct answer is A. In the given options, the incident that would require immediate notification to the nearest NTSB field office is an in-flight fire. In-flight fires are considered critical safety events that pose a significant risk to the aircraft and its occupants. It is crucial to notify the NTSB promptly in such cases to initiate appropriate investigative procedures and gather necessary information to determine the cause of the fire and prevent similar incidents in the future.